We're in April. It's the 17th. Usually around this time, I would start getting ready, getting my rods, getting all my bag. I have a bag specifically for carp. And usually I would start getting that ready for carp season. But we're still quarantined and the lake is still closed. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I don't know how much longer it's going to be closed, so we kind of got to work with what we got, which is currently the pond. And we're kind of fishing out here right now. I don't have the GoPro on. It was dead when I was going to grab it, so I left it at home. But I was going through some of my videos from, I think some are from before I started my YouTube channel, and some are from once I had it already. There's a couple videos where there's different clips, but they're all clips of big fish, big carp that I've landed. And I was going through them and I was like, I should just make a video of some of these nice fish that we've caught from different times, different scenarios. So that's what this is. So it's a little bit different, but I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just going to be different clips of different carp, different big fish. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know how today will go. Got with a fly rod and one other rod. That's what my channel's about. Oh. First one of the day, boys. First one of the day and already jumping into the water. Oh yeah. Best way to start the day. Lens wet. A little bit. Ooh. Best way to start the days, boys. Chase it down. Oh, this thing's massive. Oh my God. First one of the days. First one of the day, and it is huge. Oh yeah, boys. Look at this baby. Whew. So, you know, it's a good day when you start off. Ooh. There we go. It broke my net. It broke my net. Went right through the net. Ooh. Oh, we got another big one on. Okay. Look at that. Except this time I have no net because the last one broke it. Oh, isn't that my favorite sound right there? That one right there. Oh, 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 this one's gonna be big. Let's get them hips into it. Chasing it down again because, you know, damn, this one's big. Going after freaking state records today. Oh my god, I'm tired. Oh my god! Oh! The second one of the day, the same size. The first one broke the net, so kinda. Oh, hell no. It's in.
Oh, fuck, you're nice.
Hell yeah. Let's see if we can get number 2. Ooh, fish is a good one. Ooh. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. This is for sure a good one. Oh my goodness. Now, this is a good carp. Okay, I'm still hooked up. That was scary. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Yeah, I think so. This is gonna be a huge. Huh? Carp. Oh my god. This thing's huge. I'm surprised I didn't lose it while I was going around that tree. No, 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 no. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. There's a freaking tree there. Oh my god. Come here. Oh my goodness. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, get in the net. Oh my god. That is a carp right there. Oh, this is double digits. I think this is going to be my biggest carp ever. Oh. I think this is my PB right here. Yeah. This one's way over than 6. I think this one's bigger than 16 pounds. Oh. My god. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. We're on. We're on. Okay, we're on. I went to move the rod a little bit, and as soon as I went to go move it, this thing just took off. The line got kind of loose, so I was like, I'm going to tighten up the drag a little bit. As soon as I went to tighten up the drag a little bit, it took off. Because you know, the way I had one was like this, so to tighten the drag, I just moved the spool a little bit. And when I went to go do that, oh my god, it's out there. He just took off. This is the first one. Oh, it's up towards the surface. I can't tell if it's big or not, but it's out there. Already. Am I? Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh, you got a firewire on, huh?
Yeah, but the thing is, sometimes close to shore they tend to pop off, but that's a good one.
If you want a net, I got net.
Please? That is a good carp. Let's move it away from the other line. Oh! That's a good fish. That is a good fish. Oh my goodness. Look at this fish. Holy smokes. Look at that. Right there. No way. You recognize this fish? We caught this one the other day. Yeah, first of all, that's the hook. That's where it got hooked from the other day. And look at this. Has has no tail fin. It has no anal fin.
What the heck?
Oh, I think this is a good one. If I had to guess.
You know what?
If I had to guess, this is a good one.
Well, I'll tell you what. I mean, it's a coincidence you pay 20 cents to catch a fish.
Oh yeah, is that a coincidence? Earlier I tried skipping 2 pennies and we lost a fish. I tried skipping 2
What are they called?
yeah, that's what I thought. 2 dimes. I was gonna say 2 tens. I was like, wait, that's not right. 2 dimes. And well, I obviously didn't skip them very well, but we got a good fish on, I think. Yeah, that's what we're trying now.
Freaking wasp.
Oh, I know, those wasps been flying around here for some reason. I don't know, but we have no net, so no, we don't. Oh, that hurt.
Today.
You want to help me up? No, up.
Oh, I saw it right there.
Is it big?
Bring it in, drop that in.
Oh my God, dude!
Like, yeah, like.
It's a good fish. Like,
get the thing on land.
well, I think I gotta. Oh!
I think it's nice, dude.
I think so, Miguel. I think it's a good fish. If I had to guess. Wait. No, we gotta do it slowly because I don't want it popping off.
Well, we can bring it back at least I can get my hands on it. Or are you gonna put your hands on it?
I don't know.
You wanna like
Yeah,
get it on land?
let's try to grab it from the gill. It's our best bet. Right here. Or anything. I got it. Wait. I got it. Miguel.
Pretty big.
Holy smokes, this is a good fish.
Manuel.
Hey.
Oh,
Coincidence? Coincidence? Do you see that?
Yeah. No, I think that's the same one we were catching that you almost caught earlier.
You want to get my reel out of stand? That'd be dope.
So did you get that on video earlier where you were pulled out the 2?
Where I pulled off the scales off the hook?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
So.
Coincidence? Look at this fish, dude.
Pretty nice.
That's a good fish. Holy smokes. I don't even know where my scale is though. Huh?
It should be in the side pocket.
It should be. Wait, how do you know? Is it there? Okay. So we're gonna try to look for the scale, but look at that. Big one. Oh, no way. Oh my God. No way. No way!